Besties, imagine waking up tomorrow and earning your first online income without a degree, without experience, and without begging any employer to give you a chance. Just you, your laptop, your Wi-Fi, and opportunities that many people still don't know exist. Stay with me till the end because one of these jobs pays surprisingly well and most beginners overlook it. Let's begin quietly, softly, and step into a world that could change your life if you let it. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are watching Peace, Travels and Jobs, where we simplify global opportunities and help you discover real ways to work, earn and grow from wherever you are. And today I am taking you inside 3 legit remote jobs that require no degree, no experience, and no specific country of residence. So I'm going to be starting with the easiest remote job most people don't realize it exists. A job that feels almost too easy to be real. For a second, let's picture this. You sit quietly with your laptop, responding to messages on a platform. No video calls, no talking to customers, no phone ringing in your ear, just typing like you're texting a friend, but professionally. This job is called chat moderation. What's your role? Your role is to keep conversations flowing. You respond to messages that pop up, follow the company guidelines, and protect the platform's community. That is it. Soft work, low pressure, perfect for beginners, introverts, or anyone who just wants to earn quietly online. And the beautiful about this particular one is that you don't need experience, you don't need qualification, you just need a decent English or whichever language you'll be moderating with. You also need a laptop, a stable internet, and the willingness to type fast enough, okay? And in this channel, I give you links. I don't just give you theory, I give you links. So keep watching to the end. You're going to have links to all of this. You can start right away, okay? Most platforms pay per message, okay? Some pay between 12 cents to 20 cents per message, which can total $400 to $500 monthly, depending on your speed, okay? And one verified platform that hires worldwide is Cloudworkers, okay? So I'll review the website later, okay? So let's keep moving. Job number 2. This one also is another hidden job that pays shockingly well. Let me show you something more powerful. This is the era of AI. There is a job in the AI space that beginners are quietly using to earn way more than average online workers. All these Gen Zs, don't play with them. They're earning money online, okay? So you're using just your phone to be typing, going from TikTok to YouTube to Instagram, doing what you're not supposed to do, and you're not earning online. You are wrong, okay? This one, a job where companies train you step by step, even if you've never done it before. It's called annotation. So what do annotators do? So if you say, what kind of work is that? I'm going to explain for you step by step. Just chill. They help AI learn. You might label images, evaluate search results, categorize content, or match items based on accuracy. And the beautiful part, you are not guessing. The company trains you and gives detailed instructions, so even beginners can do well. But here is the part that surprises most people. This job can pay between $5 to $50 per hour, depending on the project. And the most trusted company in this space is Telus International. Telus AI is also known as that, okay? And they hire worldwide. Some of their roles include evaluators, raters, internet assessors, and language annotators, okay? So if you are patient, accurate, and can follow instructions, this can become one of your highest paying remote side jobs. Are you ready to listen to the next one? Have you liked this video? Please give us a thumbs up, okay? So that you too can promote this video to a wider audience, okay? Now, let's talk about the job many people ignore because simply they think it's too hard. The underrated job, It actually requires zero experience, but it pays consistently. Online tutoring. And no, this is not the type that requires certificates, teaching degrees, or formal experience. Some platforms only need one skill from you: the ability to explain something clearly. Some people are gifted to explain things like even a baby can understand, right? So if that is you, check this out. You can teach languages, business basics, maths, economics, or even simple conversational English. If you can break something complex into simple steps, you can tutor, okay? And the beauty, you can set your own rates. You own your own schedule, your own availability. Platforms like Peply allow you to teach from anywhere and get paid for every hour you spend with a student. And then there's this other one called Cambly, where you simply chat with learners around the world. No degree, no certificate, no experience, just conversations, and they pay weekly. Okay? Now, besties, because I know many of you fear fake sites and scam copies, here are the actual verified websites for these jobs. I'll be dropping the links in my description, also in my pinned comment. Do well to check that out. Chat moderation, annotation, tutoring, and conversational tutoring. Check this out in my description. These are real, reputable platforms used by thousands of remote workers. Okay, so now, besties, here's your quiet assignment today. This video will be out on Wednesday, the 3rd of December 2025. Don't just relax. You can earn at least $100 before Christmas if you follow what I told you in this platform. Choose your niche, right? If it's to chat, you can chat. Instead of chatting with your friends, chat and get paid. Go and register on that website. It is free, no experience needed. Okay, pick one of these, just one. Don't overwhelm yourself and apply. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Okay, so that's everything you need to know about this. Okay, and I'll catch you guys in my Saturday video. You don't want to miss that video, because it's going to be a life changer. As always, I give you guys legit info, verified links, compliments of the season, besties, and I'm rooting for you guys. I hope to see you on Saturday. Jesus loves you, and I love you too. Thank you for sticking around.